Hey peeps, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now this is my attempt at heatless curls. I've seen several videos on YouTube where I have to laugh at this, but it actually worked. Okay guys, you get the belt off your dressing gown and you just literally weave your hair, some hair from the front or underneath and back out, and then from the back underneath and back out that way, and then you add hair into it. It's kind of like doing a French plait. Now, and then you put a hair tie at the end and leave a little bit of hair out at the end on both sides. Put a hair tie on it, right? I have it in. You're supposed to leave this thing in overnight, and when you wake up in the morning, you get perfect heatless curls. Now, I was shocked, lads. I've actually watched videos, like I can name a few YouTubers who actually did this. In fact, if I can figure out how to put links to their videos down below, I will. One of them was Tammy's Ageless Beauties. Tammy is the girl's name. She's very good. She's very funny. She's a very intelligent lady. So I just wanted to show you this in my hair. I have no makeup on, so lads, I really do look like a shitbag. Pardon me. I'm sitting here drinking orange and eating digestive biscuits. Shh. There goes the fucking diet out the window. How now? I'll have to, when all the shit's gone, I'll just be back on my normal keto plan again. So, yes, this is the belt of my dressing gown. I followed the instructions on Tammy's video. I just hope that when I take this out, that there is a bit of a bend in it. What I'll do tomorrow is I will post an update in the morning when I get up, and you can all just check out the result of heatless curls. Okay, lads, talk to you in the morning. Good night. Good morning, welcome back to part 2. The time is 10:30. These, the belt of my dressing gown stayed in my hair until 4:30 this morning, at which point it fell out. Now, it's not great, but my hair is curly enough. It's not the ringlets that I see in some of the videos, it's just kind of wavy. But it'll do. It'll do the business, lads. I'm happy enough with that. So this is a new thing, heatless curling, using the belt off your dressing gown. Everybody and his dog on YouTube has started doing these. So of course, as you do, I decided to join the gang. Now, unfortunately, my filming equipment is feck all, just my mobile phone. So I can't actually stand it separate so I can actually do this and let you all watch me do it. However, when I get a tripod, which is on my list of items to purchase, I will redo this with a smaller belt so that I get more of a curl. So that's it, my friends. Heatless curling of one's hair. On my face, I am wearing the Revolution Pan Stick. Not the Revolution, I apologise. I'm wearing a L'Oreal primer, a L'Oreal Infallible Pan Stick, and Shell Beige, I think, Rose in the Air, eyeshadows by Wet n Wild, lips nothing, bronzer is my Hoola bronzer. Powder is Rimmel Translucent Stay Matte Powder. That's it, I've nothing on my lips, but I will be putting something on my lips in a few minutes. I am heading off for my takeaway coffee. Mimi's is now open for takeaway coffees only. On my body today, I'm wearing a tank top, the straps of which you can see, and a pair of denim shorts that I cut out of a pair of my jeans. I went shopping yesterday to look at denim shorts, and of course, Dunnes Stores being Dunnes Stores, you can't try the stuff on, and with lockdown and being a complete greedy savage of a pig, I've put on a lot of weight, and therefore I don't know what size to buy, and I don't see the point in spending money on bringing it home and then being depressed because it won't fit over my belly. So that's it now, lads. Now, that's me being very, very honest. I have ate my way through lockdown this year. I swear to God. And unfortunately, I'm probably not finished yet. But I'm looking on the bright side. I have run out of nearly all the carbs that are in my press. When they are gone, I am not restocking them. I have filled one drawer of my freezer with meat, chicken and fish. And the other drawer will be filled with, when I get back down to Aldi, it will be filled with vegetables. So I intend to go fully back on the keto train. I have found somewhere that does the keto, the powder, the MCT powder I was always telling you about for making the bulletproof coffee. Well, I have found Holland and Barrett are now doing vanilla MCT powder. So the wee girl is, she's going to call me when she gets some of it in. She's due in later this week, she thinks. So hopefully that will happen soon, and I will, although I have some of my old one left. So I am going back fully on the keto train. So anyway, lads, I digress, change of subject. I do hope that you like the curls. I'm trying my best to show them to you here. They're more waves than curls. I didn't put a brush through them, just my fingers. So that's it. And that's the other side. Not as curly because I didn't put it in as tight. But the next time I do this, the key for me is I'm going to have to dampen my hair first. Use a skinnier belt. I'll find even a scarf and roll it up and use it as. And I will use a skinnier belt or a skinny scarf. And I will wrap it again and see if we can get a tighter curl, more like what I've been seeing on YouTube, nearly ringlet looking. Anyway, lads, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is worth a try. Look up Tammy's Ageless Beauties. I will put a link to her channel down below. Watch her tutorial on this. It is. She's lovely. I love her. Anyway, see you all soon. Bye.